Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and let me share with you how to manage keyboard sounds on this device, so how to turn them off or on. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and on the second position we've got sound and vibration, so let's enter. Now we have to scroll down a little, and here we've got system sound and vibration control. And as you can see here in the sound section at the very bottom we've got the Samsung keyboard, so this option is connected to the keyboard sounds through the keyboard click. Of course you can turn it off, because in my case right now it is turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on the switcher right here, and after getting back to the keyboard you will be able to actually not hear any sound feedback from your device. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want, just go back to those options and tap on the switcher. So actually that's all. This is how to manage the keyboard sounds in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.